guys, welcome to my channel Tech Master. Today I will be showing you some features about your new iPad Air. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first we will open the Safari like this. So we can open about 3 windows in Safari like this. I've opened it in a quad. This is a quad, and you can also open it in split view, as you can see. I can show you. So 3 tabs of Safari, you can say, or 3 windows of Safari are open like this. That's pretty cool. To dismiss the card, you just have to smite from beneath and dismiss it. That's good. And to close this, you just have to do this. Now you can also open other apps also like this. So you can do multitasking. You can take the advantage of 10.5 inch screen, and you can also open 2 cards like this, like iMessage also, like Google Classroom, like photos, and you can then change any another if you want to change. Classroom, then FaceTime, and if you want to clean up them, just swipe over, then they will be cleaned up. So before moving to our next tip, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So in next tip, so I will be opening some more tabs in this, like let's randomly type anything or any tab, like in this, like I have written this here, and I have written here this, another tab here, I have written subscribe. So if I want to close all these tabs in a one go, I have to click on this button, long press on this button, then I will click on close all 4 tabs, and all 4 tabs will be closed like this. All the 4 tabs are closed. This is very useful if you are using lots of tabs. And one more feature that I go on a site like apple.com. It is knowing that Wi-Fi is pretty slow. So if you are pretty down, I will show you some site like the iPad only. So you can see I am pretty down here. So if you are seeing the comparison, and if you want to get up instantly, you just have to tap on the top of apple.com and you will get above. That is very useful sometimes. You can also use the keyboard in various ways, like I will go on the notes app. Let me find it. Where's the notes app? Yeah, there is the notes app. Like this, I want to write anything in your note, then I don't want to use the keyboard in its full form, then I can just long press on this button, keyboard button, and use it in a split view. This split view will allow me to type like this, like anything when typing anything. And to get the keyboard to the full size, you just have to swipe between the two. Then you have to one dot. Then your keyboard will be smooth. If you want to try the another type, that is the floating type, that's very useful. I usually type from that type style of the keyboard. In this is a very handy. You can also move it anywhere on the screen. You can also do swipe typing on it, as you can see. I am doing swipe typing, as you can see here. That's pretty cool. That lets you type very faster. So I think it's good. So to get into that same keyboard, you just have to do like this. So instead of going on to this 1, 2, 3, 4 like window, you just have to slide this button down to get the 1, 2 or anything. This is another cool feature, as you can see over here. And like 0 is on this like this. That's pretty cool. You can also lock your notes if you like privacy. Like I go to this chemistry note and I have to long press on it, then lock note over here, Then I will type my password. Then my note is locked. So if I close this window, then open notes again. To view the note, I have to get the password in, like password. So I don't want this password over here, so I will remove the lock. That's very easy. So you can also turn on the night shift mode. Here I have turned on the night shift mode. This does not let your eyes strain. It protects your eyes basically, even if it is on 50% brightness. Like it will turn your screen yellow if it is on already night shift mode. If I turn this off, then the screen will be pretty much not yellow. And if I turn on this night shift, you can see the screen is very much yellow. So I like the night shift mode. And so you can also change the wallpaper, you can see, of your screen by clicking on this button, as you can see over here. So that's the dark mode. If I go to Safari, then everything becomes black over here. And like, I like this mode also. That's very good. You can see everything becomes black. If I give it to white, then everything becomes white. That's pretty good. If you want to know more about how to customize your iPad and change the settings of your iPad and more features, and then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's now end this video. Bye guys. Thanks.